How to delete YouTube Kids profile. If you want to delete your child's profile on YouTube Kids, just go to the YouTube app. Then go to the settings at the top right corner. Then you have to solve this math quiz. So I'm just gonna write the answer here. Now go to the profile that you want to delete. So I'm gonna delete this account. So click on Sam. Now enter your password. Once you enter your password, click next. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then click delete this profile. Click delete profile. Now your child's profile has been deleted on YouTube Kids. Thanks for watching.